Alright, so I picked up a brand new generator. That Harbor Freight 35 watt, 3500 watt. I called last week to see if they had any in, and they didn't have any. They were all sold out. And he said they were going to get some this week. So I stopped by, and this was the last one. I guess they sell out pretty dang quick. Super popular. It's supposed to be quiet. It's not super light, but I can move it. It's supposed to come with the battery too, pre-installed. I'm sure I got to put some oil in it. Just going around the box here, show you everything. And I purchased the warranty too, the 2-year warranty for 160 bucks. And he said even if it's still running after 2 years, just bring it in, you can get a new one. It's a pretty good deal. Brand new generator every 2 years. Sweet. So let's open it up, take a look. Alright, looks like we got RV connection here. The twist lock RV adapter. I may not use this. And of course, instructions. I'm going to open this up and take a look at it and see if we need to add oil. I'm just going to break this box down. We don't have to lift it out of the box. Let's do that. Looks like they give you a little bag of tools here too. This might be a battery charger? Not sure. Have to read the instructions. A screwdriver, maybe a spark plug puller, and an oil funnel. I didn't see any engine oil coming with it, so I'm going to add some. Looks like 1030. So we'll go grab, I think I have 530, which is better for this colder air, so go grab some 530 and fill her up. Alright, I got some motor oil, some AMS oil, 530. It's not top of the line signature series, but it's good enough for the generator. Synthetic oil. So, I'm guessing this is where the oil goes. Oh yeah, there it is. Just like all the other Predator generators. Oil fills right there. Let's see if they put anything in it. They probably put some from the factory, but usually you gotta add some. Yeah, it's really low on oil, so I'll put some oil in there. Do like half a quart and then check it. Well, still wants more, so we'll add more. Well, she's full now. Added a little more than half a quart. So, back on. And we'll put some gas in here. Fire it up. Alright, we got gas. Need to turn this to off. Over to start. Ooh, that knob feels weird. And here's the moment of truth. No battery. They lied. No battery. This is where the battery is supposed to be. Alright, let me open that up. Ha! There is a battery. I just gotta hook it up. Makes sense. Alright, let's hook it up. Alright, battery's hooked up. Let's try this again. So, escape throttle off. Start. Sounds like every other generator they have. Off. Load it up. Oh, now it's getting quieter. See the difference? You hear it? Watch this. It's quiet itself. Once this breaks in a little bit, it'll get smoother. It seems to be going up and down. But, yeah, cool. What's going on here? Plastic doesn't put together right here. Get down there. Cool. Well, thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, share, and of course, subscribe. Talk to you later.